ever so rarely, sometimes when you open up the tent, it doesn't pop completely out. As you can see here, this piece is not popping out. That's because the wire's just bent over when you packed it away last time. Simply rotate your hands over the wire and it'll come back and pop out to normal. Just like that. Now it's out nice and square on the base. Here's another example of it being slightly twisted. It's not staying out where it should. It's leaning back in, even with the crossbarring. That's because the wire's twisted slightly. So just rotate the wire a little and it pops straight out. There we go. Now it's sitting all nice out and flat, very simply.